So here's the banana holder right here. It was sent to me to review, so I have to thank my sponsors before opening it up and checking it out like this. So here's the banana holder box right here. It's nice and thin, and it looks like it's going to be easy to open up. Maybe we'll open the other side too. And it'll slide out that way. Comes in two pieces here. There's the metal hook right here. It's all black and it has a base right here that will screw into this piece. Feels like a durable metal here, nice and smooth. It's a glossy finish to it and looks really nice. Also got a nice finish right here, nice base right here. It's a wood base, a brown, really cool looking. And it has these little feet on it right here to make sure it stays in place. And it's a really simple installation process. You just take the bottom of the hook right here, place it against the base right there, and then I'm just going to roll the base, spin it like this until it's nice and tight and it doesn't do that anymore. And then there we go, it's ready to hold bananas. Now here you can see two of the banana hooks, one with the brown bottom and one with the black bottom. They're both the same material respectively. And you can see how the bananas hang on them, plenty of room, nice and sturdy. You can see it's nice and easy to take it off there and then just put it on the other one and they hang really beautifully. So overall, some really nice banana holders.